baby.
Part 1. The Mystery Box. Hi, friends! Look what I found today. It's the mystery box. What letter is on the front? It's the letter B. Can you say B? B. Let's see what starts with B. It's a ball. A blue ball. Let's put the ball right here. What else is inside? Look, it's a banana. Yellow and yummy. And one more thing. It's a bear. A fuzzy brown bear. Great job! B is for ball, banana, and bear. Bye-bye, mystery box. Part 2. Tiny Chef. I'm hungry for a rainbow snack. Let's sort our fruit into the colored bowls. This is a strawberry. What color is it? Red. It goes in the red bowl. Now, let's count 3 blueberries for the blue bowl. 1, 2, 3. Here is a green grape. Can you say green? It goes in the green bowl. Look at all the colors. Red, blue, and green. Our rainbow snack is ready. Part 3. Fast and slow. I feel so happy. When I'm happy, I move fast. Jump, jump, jump. Can you jump fast with me? Fast, fast, fast. Now I feel a little sleepy. When I'm sleepy, I move slowly. Let's sway slowly, side to side. If you ever feel sad or angry, let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in and breathe out. Now I feel much better. Part 4. How cloths get cleaned. Let's do the laundry. First, we put the red shirt into the machine. Now we pour the soap. Glug, glug, glug. Press the button. Beep! Look at the water splashing. The clothes go around and around. Spin, spin, spin. The bubbles are cleaning the shirt. Now it's all clean. Part 5. Goodbye. We learned so much today. We learned the letter B. We counted our fruit. We moved fast and slow. And we watched the laundry spin. You did a great job today. Give yourself a big high five. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe, Baba Baby. Please.